I ran with the wind blowing in my face and a smile as wide as the valley of Panjsher on my lips. I ran. The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini. The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini is a profound narrative of friendship and redemption, set against the tumultuous backdrop of Afghanistan, from the fall of the monarchy through the rise of the Taliban. It explores the intricate bonds of guilt and redemption that intertwine the lives of two boyhood friends, Amir and Hassan, as they grow up in a rapidly changing Afghanistan. This ending captures yet another profound revelation from Bookends of Brilliance, exploring literary openings and closings, a collection curated exclusively by Khaled.